How to make realistic AI UGC ads in 2026. Create UGC tutorial. Now, this you see in front of yourself, none of these people or none of these videos are actually real. Okay. These ads were generated using AI. No actors were used.
This candle's wood wick creates a soothing crackle and clean.
Now you saw that. No actors, no cameras, no expensive production. And honestly, AI UGC is becoming so realistic that most people scrolling TikTok or Instagram can't even tell the difference anymore. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create realistic AI UGC ads. Okay. And we're going to be creating these ads using Create UGC. We'll go through the full process, including choosing AI characters for yourself, generating scripts, creating videos, and making ads optimized for social media. And if you want to test it yourself, there is also a 3-day free trial using my link below. So let's get into it. Now, the reason AI UGC is exploding right now is pretty simple. Traditional content is quite expensive. You're going to go ahead and need creators, cameras, editing, revisions, reshoots, and sometimes weeks of production. But AI tools are making it quite possible to create ad style content much faster, especially for e commerce brands, dropshipping stores, TikTok ads, Instagram reels, and short form content. Now, obviously, AI is not replacing every creator tomorrow, but for testing products and generating marketing creatives quickly, tools like this are becoming extremely popular. So, what you're going to want to do is you're going to have to create an account with UGC, of course, using the link in the description and pinned comment. So, once you create your account, you're going to land on the main dashboard like this. And the overall workflow here is pretty straightforward. The first thing you'll usually do is select your AI creator or character. So let's say over here, we're going to click on new video. So first of all, you can go ahead and add any product link for yourself if you want to. Now, I'm going to go ahead and add a random product. So let's go ahead with this product right here. Now you're going to choose the video type. Is it a video reaction where your product is featured in a video that the avatar reacts to? The product could be in hand, so your product is displayed when held in the avatar's hand. Product in hand with a much more enhanced version, and product in hand with Kling AI. So let's say I'm going to go with any one of these. You can even go with like the highest processing, which is Kling AI, which is usually what people go with. So once you do that, here, as you can see, it says collecting product data. You're going to notice that there are different styles, appearances, and presentation types that are going to depend on the kind of content you want to create. So, for example, you have product recommendation style videos, testimonial style videos, talking head videos. Now, this matters a lot because you want the AI creator to actually match the product and audience you're targeting. Because if your ad feels completely disconnected from the product, people are going to scroll instantly. Now, here, as you can see, it says add media and product details. So you can go ahead and add in the name. You can add in the description and even the assets for yourself. Now, once the assets are in, you can choose which image you want to go with. So let's say this is the image that I like. I'm going to click on next. Once that is done, you're going to choose your video settings. So what platform do you want it for? What aspect ratio? How much seconds? So let's say I'm going to go with 10 seconds and click on next. Now it's going to say choose your avatar. Okay, you can choose any one of these avatars for yourself, or you can add your very own avatar as well. That's one of the best parts. So you can add yourself if you want to. Now, let's say I'm going to use any one of these. Let's say for the gender, I'm going to go with female. Ethnicity, you can choose any ethnicity you want to go ahead with. So let's say in my case, I'm going to choose this avatar. And for the voices, they're going to give you the default voice that they've given you. You can go ahead and hear it out if you like it or not.
Welcome to Create UGC app, the #1 place for creation of
So let's say we like that voice. What we're going to do is we're simply going to click on next. It's going to save all of your generations. And now it's going to start generating script. Now, over here, you can generate a script for yourself. This is one of the biggest advantages of AI UGC platforms. Instead of writing everything from scratch, this platform helps generate ad style scripts much faster. So for this example, let's say we are going to be promoting this product and you can enter different types of product details, key benefits, target audiences, and the type of video you want. And the AI is going to help you structure the script according to that. So here, as you can see, it says, I woke up looking like a raisin, then tried this vitamin C face cream. Wrinkles, buy. Hydrated and glowing now. Seriously, grab it before I buy them all. You can also insert pauses here and there. Then there's the selling point of view. If you want smoother, glowing skin with fewer wrinkles, you need this vitamin C face cream. My skin feels firmer after just days, don't miss out, and then you can even stay professional. Now, let's say I'm going to go with funny. You can go ahead and add more things into your script according to yourself. That depends on you, but the general default that it's given me, I think it's perfect. So I'm going to click on next, and once this is done, it's going to start exporting your video. Now, once you've added your script, do make sure that I do still recommend editing the final script because the best ads usually sound natural and conversational. Now, if your script sounds like a robot trying to sell protein powder at 3 a.m., people are going to be leaving immediately. Keep it simple, keep it human, and keep it believable. Now, once you've generated the video, your script is ready, and everything seems to be good to go, your video is going to start exporting over here and processing. And honestly, this is the part that surprises most people. The realism has improved so massively that you're going to notice proper facial movement, voice delivery, expressions, pacing, and short form ad structure. And because these videos are optimized for social platforms, they work well for anything like TikTok, Insta Reels, YouTube Shorts, Facebook ads, and e commerce creatives. Now, obviously, some generations will look better than the others. That is normal with AI. Usually, the best workflow is generating multiple variations, testing different types of hooks, and comparing performances. That is how marketers approach creatives anyway. You can also go ahead and get a separate library or dashboard of avatars. You can even add in your own product images as assets. Then there's inspiration videos that you can find right here in UGC of other creators that have had this created. And then there's the avatar and script section where you can go ahead and write in a script by clicking on help me write a script, add any hook, and it's going to help you generate it right here. So as you can see, Create UGC gives you pretty much everything to work on with, which is pretty incredible. And once this video generates, let me show you how it looks. But moving on from that, one of the hardest parts of e-commerce is constantly creating new ad creatives. If you have ever actually hired creators before, you already know how expensive and time consuming that can become. AI UGC tools help speed up that process, especially for testing products quickly, launching multiple ad variations, and creating social first content faster. And honestly, for beginners, this lowers the barriers massively. You no longer are going to need a full production setup just to test marketing ideas. Now, a few quick tips before you do start generating AI ads. So, number one, focus heavily on the first 3 seconds. That is what's going to determine whether people are going to keep watching. Number two, keep your scripts short and punchy. Most high performing short form ads get to the point very quickly. And number three, test multiple hooks. Sometimes changing just the opening sentence completely changes your ad performance. Marketing is usually more about testing than perfection. Now, as you can see, our video is done generating, so let's go ahead and watch it and see how it looks and how it actually came out.
I woke up looking like a raisin, then tried this vitamin C face cream. Wrinkles, bye. Hydrated and glowing now. Seriously, grab it before I buy them all.
So you can see how incredibly it made it. So that is basically how you're going to create realistic AI UGC ads using Create UGC. Now, as you can see, the entire process is much faster compared to traditional content production. You can generate social media ready ad creatives without hiring actors or recording everything manually. If you want to test it yourself, I will leave my Create UGC link below. They're currently offering a 3-day free trial through the dedicated link in the description and pinned comment. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.